You can see in the road here, you have a grayish rock, and this is actually a rock called quartz. So as I'm walking through this road here, you can see all this stuff is all quartz. And then you can see there's some intrusions of volcanic rock. And all this is a giant quartz vein. And if you look over here and go towards this little outcrop here, you see no quartz. And this is actually a volcanic rock, similar to this right here in the middle. So somewhere in the middle here, you have a contact of quartz and this green-blue volcanic rock. You can see the oxidation on a lot of these samples here. So I think somewhere in here there's got to be a contact, and there could be a showing of some sort. I did notice some samples with iron sulfides, specifically iron pyrite and minor chalcopyrite. And here's some of the quartz. You can see the silicous rock with fairly evenly disseminated iron pyrite. Closer to the outcrop, you have your volcanic rock, and you have iron pyrite in that as well. Looks like there's a little bit of sphalerite here too. See the darker black looking sphalerite. So, and this is a little portion of the outcrop that's really oxidized. You can see some mineral there. Just pulled a layer of rock off this outcrop here. And there's definitely some mineralization in here. You have a layer of really deteriorated rock and some iron sulfides. Looks like pyrite and pyrrhotite, maybe. Just by the smell, a little bit of our arsenopyrite, which is now all over my fingers. So I think there's definitely something going on in this area. There's definite contact and mineralization that's formed there. A couple other interesting things here. There's definite iron sulfides here, and I'm seeing some interesting mineralization here. So you have a mix of pyrite and chalcopyrite in here. This right here is a little bit of sphalerite in there. Some definite nice iron sulfides in this. There's loads of miscellaneous minerals in here. So it's a little bit difficult to see, but down in the corner here you have a mix of sphalerite and galena. Same with that right there. And then you have pyrite and pyrrhotite with a little bit of chalcopyrite. Again, that's sphalerite right up in there. So it's a good indication the presence of sphalerite, galena, and chalcopyrite because this area is well known for VMS deposits, and this could be associated with a nice deposit. There's multiple showings we found on this property with high grade values of lead, silver, gold, copper, zinc, cadmium, arsenic, and those are all minerals that are associated with VMS deposits. So it's definitely more mineralized as you go down in this little outcrop here. This layer is basically 40 to 50% iron sulfides mixed with volcanics. You have some sphalerite in there, right there. You got iron pyrite, galena, pyrrhotite. You can see the staining right there, purplish color. That's from the presence of cadmium, chalcopyrite. So there's definitely some kind of vein structure here. It'd be nice to take a big chunk of this outcrop out and dig down a bit and see what we got there. A few more samples. So you got definite sphalerite in there. Quite a decent amount too. What I wanted to do is take a couple spot chip samples here, and we're going to send it in for an analysis. I'll post the result somewhere in this video so you guys can see what kind of grades there are. We'll take a bunch of these samples and we'll probably just break them up and send in just a bunch of these. This is all from the same boulder chunk from right here. So it'll kind of be a spot sample, but an average of that boulder. So that's it, guys. Done to this area. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.